got out the shower. Hair still dripping, wrapped up in a towel. Beauties when you ready in an hour. Them long legs, I call them the Twin Towers. You put that arch in it, put your hand on your hip, put your hand in a bun, and you handle the shit. Beauties when it's strut, compliments ass. You know your booty look good with your confident ass shit. Straight up, but the rest swerve. You know it's beauty when the smile is her best curve. That's real beauty, no makeup shit. The girl you dream about and wanna wake up with. Wait until I'm looking, then you throw it at me. You go down on me, then you look up at me. Oh man, that shit right there probably give your ex nightmares.
Miss Brooklyn, New York. I give whatever to get to your heart. Know your worth, baby girl. Love. Soul take shit. Nothing makeshift. All natural. Put it down.